Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. Here on this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Discord and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to this page of storage. After that you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.